Water covers most of our planet, but we still lack knowledge of deep changes that are going on in the seas and oceans. In this episode of Futuris, we're joining a scientific expedition trying to better understand the marine environment.
So, Maria, we are on Finland's main research vessel in the middle of the Baltic Sea. What are the scientists actually looking for?
They're collecting data on different components of the marine biodiversity, in this case phytoplankton and zooplankton, benthic, and they're trying to get this data so that later we can assess the environmental status of the Baltic as well as other seas.
Water samples are taken at different depths, in different locations. Other teams are doing this around Europe, and the results are brought together and analysed by the EU's DEVOTES research project.
But of course, in order to put together all this information, we need to have specific models and tools, and those needs to be repeated regularly from time to time. So we need this kind of an integrating assessment tools to understand what is the message that we get from these different types of organisms.
Everything that lives on, in or under the sea is studied along with water quality. The project has created software that combines the data to give a snapshot of the sea's health.
In the project we have developed the tool that integrates all the indicators, so it puts together all the various indicators that may be defined on different spatial levels, on different habitats like the water column or the coastal meadows, and we have developed the tool that puts them together in a transparent way and comes up with a unified integrated assessment of the ecosystem health.
Everyone contributes to a common database, which includes satellite imagery to better quantify man's impact on marine environments. We see the seas as an inexhaustible source of wealth, but this may not last, and age-old systems may be breaking down.
So at the moment, the main threats for the seas are overexploitation, nutrient pollution, causing eutrophication, and also hazardous substances from industrial activities.
Knowing what we know today about diverse negative effects of climate change, marine pollution and overexploitation of the sea resources, is there anything in your research that can give us hope for the better?
Yes, of course. We're getting to better know and understand the functioning of marine biodiversity and the effects our activity has. And that enables us to take more informed decisions, so that we'll be more efficient in solving the problems.
What is clear is that in an age of dwindling resources, it's high time we were better informed about our richest resource of all.